Hey, it's Akshay from Kitchen Flames and I hope you guys are doing well. Since it's the first episode of my channel, I wanted to start it on a sweet note. So today I'll be making fruit custard, and it's just not the mundane custard that we make at home. I'm adding in rolled oats. So serve it chill, it's creamy, decadent and perfect for summers. So if you enjoyed this video, do give it a like, comment down below what is your favorite summer dessert, and subscribe to the channel if you're one hell of a foodie. Now let's get into the video. Take a pan and pour in 750 ml of milk. Once the milk starts to boil, add in 4 tablespoons of sugar. Now in a bowl, take 2 tablespoons of vanilla custard powder and 3 tablespoons of milk and make a slurry out of it. Slowly pour this custard slurry to the boiling milk, stirring the milk at the same time to avoid lumps. Once the mixture has thickened, add in 3 tablespoons of rolled oats and cook for about 3 minutes. Now before shoving this mixture inside the refrigerator, bring it to room temperature and then chill for 2 hours. My mixture is chilled and it's now time to add some fruits. Here I'm going in with some grapes and sliced bananas. Also I'm adding in half a cup of fresh cream. You can skip cream if you want, it's totally optional. Also I'm adding in some cashew nuts for some crunch. Now give this all a good mix. Transfer the custard in any dessert bowls. For garnishing, I've added some sliced grapes, chopped cashew nuts and a slice of banana. Since it's the first episode of my channel, it's Akshay from Kitchen Flames and I hope you guys are doing well. So, episode of my channel, I wanted to start it on a few notes. Making fruit custard, and it's just not the normal custard that we make at home. I'm adding in rolled oats. And it's just not the mundane custard that you make at home. It's creamy in rolled oats. So